Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. First of all, I want to thank you all guys for your support on my last video. I really appreciate that and I like that give me motivation to teach you further steps, the deep steps about the AI automation and the AI chatbots. So, in this video, I will teach you how you can make your AI bot more intelligent. It will be excellent in performing the latest data, in executing the latest data, and it will provide you with the recent information. The AI agent, the response it will gives you are will be more accurate and great. For that purpose, we will be using SerpAPI. In order to make our AI agent, AI bot more intelligent, we will using SerpAPI. And the second thing I will add in this workflow is voice agent. The voice agent will make your voice, make your text into voice. It will respond you in voice alongside with the text as well. So if you are a student, a professional, anyone else, you want latest data. So you will use your chatbot to act like a mechanism that will provide you with the latest data and latest information. And alongside it will answer you through voice as well. So you are on a right place. Here today exactly I will teach you how can you do that. Before that, this is my last workflow from the last video. If anyone don't know how to make it, please I will paste a link of my video, last video as well. Go there and see it. And you will know that how you can easily and simply make a AI chatbot totally free without paying anything. And today in this video, I will be teaching how you can make it more intelligent and more amazing, totally free. Here you will also not be paying anything. Okay, the first step we are doing is to make it more intelligent. For that purpose, I have already told you that we are using SerpAPI. Let me show you what is SerpAPI. Here it is. And provide as well here because it gives you 250 search per month totally free, and I believe it's fine for anyone who is learning n8n AI automation. It's totally fine for him to test on 250 searches per month. And if you become a professional and your work is exceeding, then you can use you can pay for its priced subscription as well. As I have already registered in it, so I am not registering. But if you want to register, please press here and just fill the simple form, and the SERP will provide you with the API key on very first page. The API key will be on very first page. Copy that API key and I will show you where to paste it. Go on your workflow, click here tools, right, SERP. Okay, as you will see that my credentials are already available, but for your guys information, I will teach you how you can add it. Press here and you will guys will see that create new credential. Click here and add your API key that you copied from SerpAPI website here in your API key. After pasting it, you will see something like this. You will see there will be a save uh, button here. Press save and it will show you that connection tested successfully. Retry it and it will show the same, that your API key endpoint is working perfectly and you have write the correct API key. Okay, it's fine. It's working fine. We don't have to worry about it. Let's test it. And test it with information like, let's ask him who is the current president of USA as of 15 October 2025. Let's see what does it answer. It's searching. Great. Please answer it correctly. Let's see. Okay, based on the search result, I could not find the current president of USA as of 15 November. However, my the previous knowledge cutoff is Yakam 1st to December 2020 and I do not have real-time information, but why it is not working? Let me see. Why my endpoints are not working properly? Retry and search again. Who is the current president of USA as of 15 October 2025? Let's ask again. Let's see what it answers. The endpoint API is not working properly, so I will sign in again, copy the API key and paste it again. Here, save, retry, it's working fine. Refresh the page, no, save, and then refresh, so that the information saved in the database, temporary database of bot is removed. And ask it again. Current president of USA as of 15 October 2025. Let's see what it answers. Okay, now it worked totally fine. There was some error with the API and it was not working fine. It says, since the search result indicate Donald Trump is the current president, it appears he is indeed the president as of October 15, 2025. So now you are able to know that without the SerpAPI, the AI, the Grok AI was blind. It has information till 2023, December 2023, but after adding the SerpAPI, it has the current information. So that's why it is most important to add any API that will make your bot more intelligent. Now the second thing we will add is voice agent. For the voice agent, I will be using StreamElements. The good thing about StreamElement is that they are totally free. You don't have to sign in, nor they need any API key. Their endpoints are totally free. Let me go through their website. Okay, this is their website. You don't have to do anything. Show your work. Write HTTP request node. Okay, in your HTTP request node, the method I am using is get, and write the URL exactly the same I am writing, so that the endpoints will be called accordingly. Write https api.strem streameleme and streamelements.com oblique KAPPA oblique V2 oblique SPEECH speech. We don't need any authorization method because it doesn't need any API key. Yes, we need query parameters. Write exactly the way I am writing. Voice. The voice I am using here is of Matthews. METTHEW, Matthew. You can use any other voice of your need. Go to their website and search the voices they have. They have plenty of voices. You can add any of them. I am using Matthew. It feels more professional to me. Okay. And the second thing we are using is text. What Matthew will speak? The Matthew will speak the output text of AI agent, and it will be this. Just click here, grab it, and place it here. It will automatically be added. And the last thing we will do is to add response. The response we need is data. The data will be the MP3. So for that purpose we will use file, and the output response will be data. So now let's test it and see if it's work or not. Okay, there must be some error with battery check. These your parameters. Voice Matthew. Matthew, yes. MATTHEW. Okay, it's working fine. View.
Since the search results indicate Donald Trump is the current president, it appears he is indeed the president as of October 15, 2025.
Great, it worked totally fine. So, yeah, it worked fine. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to add more advancement into it, or you have any idea or any suggestions, you can give it to me in comment box, and I will do this accordingly. Currently I'm thinking different ways to teach you guys how you can do AI automation and how you can learn it more easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love the way you guys support me in the last video, and I hope you will support me more, and I will make such contents in order to make you guys learn more. And the second thing, I also made a website. I will place the link of that website in the description as well. See that website, and you will see that I made that website totally free. I don't even pay a penny. And I also integrated this chatbot into that website as well. You will see that. um, okay, thank you so much. Stay blessed. uh, okay, I will show you the website as well, and I will leave then. Here is the website.